Hi guys, I thought I'd have a play with that Animation Praxinoscope kit that I bought in the charity shop. This is the one that's got the degraded mirror effect, where it's gone black and blotchy, where it's lost its shine. I still haven't opened the nice pristine unopened box that's still in its plastic wrapping. I thought I'd play with this one and leave the nice one for my grandsons to play with. So as you can see, I've drawn my logo. You actually have to draw it 10 times with a bit of movement in between each frame. So I'll give it a spin and see what it looks like. Hopefully I fixed the focus, so it should stay in focus. So I'll give it a little spin one way. Yeah. So Grandad's waving his stick around. Let's try him the other way round. Yeah, it still sort of works, even though it's got that horrible black blotchiness on it, especially just there. But it works well enough. And hopefully if we ever open the nice clean unopened box, it will look better. Oh, I just spun that too hard and moved it around a bit, didn't I? There we are. I think we get the idea. Yeah, it's 10 frames. Let's just move the camera back a bit. I made my own paper ring. I measured out the existing ones and just drew my own on a piece of paper. And what I did was I used that one, which has got nice black heads on it, so that I could see that through the paper. Probably can't see it now, but I then used the head as a reference point for each of my frames. So I marked each head, and then, if I can get it out, yeah, I marked the position of each head first and then did the rest of the drawing freehand. What I found a little confusion is it's the mirror image, so I've actually had to draw him the opposite way to the way that I normally draw him. I normally draw him with the stick on the right hand side, unless you're viewing my other channel, and that's the difference between the logos, between the main channel and the other channel. Main channel, his stick's on the right, other channel, his stick's on the left, when I remember to do it. So there we go. Animation Praxinoscope.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.